Hey guys, today we're going to go over one of our new tools here, which is a shock travel indicator. This shock travel indicator comes with two half-inch hex slip-on mounts that go right over your half-inch hex shock bolts, and those are clamped down with a 1032 socket head. On this particular travel indicator, we have both compression and extension measurements. What makes this one unique is this one also features a center-to-center measurement. So when you guys are at the track and you want to know what your shock center-to-center is at static, you can easily take that measurement. So we're going to walk over to the car here, and we're going to measure from the flat that you're going to see on the previous picture to the center of the top shock bolt. So what we do is put our tape down on the flat, measure to the center. That measures 8 1/4. And then what we do is we add 10 inches to that measurement, which gives us 18 1/4, which is our center-to-center measurement. The scallop tube to the center shock bolt on the bottom is exactly 10 inches. So what we can do is we can measure to a flat standoff to the top center bolt, and get our center-to-center measurement quick and easy.